Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up dynamic DNS on pfSense using Cloudflare. So the first thing that you will do is of course listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. This ensures that your domain automatically updates when your public IP changes, keeping your services online without manual updates. So first log into your pfSense dashboard and once you log in, you will just have to navigate to services and dynamic DNS. Next, you will click add to create a new dynamic DNS entry, and after that, you will select Cloudflare as the service provider. Then you will enter your Cloudflare API token, zone ID, and the domain or subdomain to update automatically. You can find the API token in Cloudflare under your profile section, and then you will just go ahead and click API tokens. So it should be somewhere right here. You could just search it up and make sure that again you do have the full version so that you will be able to actually have all these features. And then next you will enable the service by checking the backs and clicking enable this entry and click save. And then pfSense will now monitor your IP and update Cloudflare whenever it changes. And finally, just test the setup by disconnecting and reconnecting your internet. Then you will check your domain to ensure that it points your current IP. And yeah, that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.